Welcome back to eTraining Guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to deploy Edge 77 using SCCM. Again, this is a new feature in 1910, so let's get to it. So in SCCM, you'll see Microsoft Edge Management. You right click on here and go create Microsoft Edge application. And you want to put the name. And then you want to put a location. So I'm going to put mine. I'll call a folder called Edge. And then we're going to make sure I'm just going to copy that part. There we go. Next. And then you have your different channels. You can call dev, beta, or stable. So we're just going to put beta for now. And then you want to use the latest, or if you want to pick a specific version. Well, now we're up to 88. So right now, 81. If you wanted to do a specific version, you can. So I'm just going to go ahead and do latest. And then you want to deploy the application. Now I'm going to say yes. And then I'm going to pick a collection. I'm going to go target my Windows 10 collection. I'm just going to go Windows 10 computers. And then, of course, we're going to add a distribution point group. I'm going to add that. And then this time I'm going to say install available. You can make it required, but I'm just going to do it install available at this point. And again, because we're not using, that's fine. Yeah, you can either choose all notification or only if it requires a restart. We're just going to pick the second one. Doesn't matter which one. We don't have Operations Manager set up yet. And next. So it's creating the app. There's also two ways that you can do this. The one way is the way I'm showing you how to do it, and the other one is to actually download the version and then create an application that way. But I'm just going to do it within the Microsoft Edge Management that's been added for the 1910 version. All right, and there it is. Create a folder, and there's your different stuff one for 86 and 36, and there you go. So it's already downloaded all of the stuff. Now we're going to just make sure that the content is at the DPs. So we're going to just type in Edge. And look, it's already there, so we've confirmed that it's on my distribution point, so that's good. So let's go to my Windows 10 machine. Bring that over here. Let's go over here. Let's do a, we're going to do machine policy. And then we're going to do application deployment evaluation. Let's see if it's in there already. Sometimes if you just do a machine policy, that'll be enough. There we go. Let's look at the Software Center. There it is. As you can see, it's there now. So now all I have to do is click on install. And the one log file that you want to look at is the app enforce log. So we're going to let this go and let this finish. It should take a few minutes to complete. Okay, as you can see, it's now installed, and now it gives me the option to uninstall. And there you see Microsoft Beta Edge, and you can click on it, it'll be installed. And there you go. Now you can check the, if you get an error installing this, what you do is you go in, if you get an exit code 1 or something in the logs under App Enforce right here, you can, let me open it in the CM trace, hold on. There we go. Yep. There you go. So exit code 0. So if it just says a different number like 1, it might be that your PowerShell execute policy is set to restrict. So you want to make sure you have it set to bypass, and it should be fine. You can also set that in the client settings. So if I minimize this, go to, oh, I gotta log back into that. Go to administration, client settings, properties. I think it's in one of these. Yeah, here it is. You see right here under computer agent, PowerShell execution policy set to bypass. And if you have that on your default computer settings, you shouldn't have any problems installing the Microsoft Edge. So let's bring up Windows 10 back up here. You close out the log file, and then you can kind of, whatever, get started, play around with it, whatever you want to do. And that's basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of Edge. And now I've successfully installed Microsoft Edge using SCCM. Again, you can use beta development or stable. So I just used the beta. So just to kind of show you how that process works. And that's it. There you go. You have deployed Microsoft Edge using SCCM. So let's go to software library, and there you go. And again, you can, you know, and then of course the Edge updates I'll talk to you about next in a future video. And that's basically how you deploy the Edge 77 in SCCM 1910. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Again, there's another way to do this, is to create the application, but then you're downloading it and then you're creating the application. So it's a little bit more work. That's why I wanted to do it this way, to create it. And you right click and create it. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. And again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, I hope you guys are staying safe out there with everything that's going on. I apologize for the delay of getting something out to you, but I had to get my new PC set up, and it took a long time to transfer files and what have you. So I'm back in business. And so again, thanks for your patience. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. Be safe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.